In today's video, we are going to share with you 3 simple steps to reduce tension and increase the range of movement and flexibility in your lower leg, calf complex and ankle. So first up, Laura's going to show you a simple stretch which will get your gastrocnemius, which is the main calf muscle that you'll find at the back of your lower leg. Now you can use a wall, but for the sake of this video, we are going to show you how to do the same stretch using a foam roll. So Laura has placed her toes onto the foam roll and is slowly leaning in to stretch the calf. Now again, you want to be feeling the stretch on an RPE, rate of perceived exertion scale, around about 6 or 7, so it shouldn't be excruciatingly painful, but it's also not a waste of time. 10 to 15 seconds on the right leg and then 10 to 15 seconds on the left leg will be sufficient enough. The second stretch we're going to show you is very similar. You place the toes onto the foam roll, but this time you'll notice that Laura has her front knee bent, which means the stretch is now hitting the soleus, which is the lower part of the calf complex. These 2 stretches alone will help to alleviate any pain that you've got in your lower leg. And finally, you could move on to actually using the foam roll for some SMR, some self-myofascial release. Now as you can see, Laura has placed her soleus onto the foam roll and lifted her body weight up using her upper body. Now here we're going to roll through the soleus and through the gastrocnemius, the upper calf, until we find an adhesion. Once we've found an adhesion, also known as a knot, we will hold for around about 5 to 10 seconds to try to break down any muscular adhesion knots that we find. If you find that putting the opposite leg over the leg that you are foam rolling too advanced or too painful, you can place the opposite leg out onto the floor to have less pressure. You want to roll throughout the calf complex, making sure you move your leg to the right and to the left so you're getting the full muscle and not just going in one plane of movement. Give it a go. 3 simple stretches and exercises that you can do to increase the range of movement at the ankle whilst decreasing any tension in your calf muscle.